Hotel Operations and Quality Management Master in Hotel Management. Module 6, Hotel Manager Learning Objectives. Understand how hotel operations create and deliver guest value. Apply quality management principles in hospitality. Integrate service excellence with operational efficiency. The role of hotel operations are the backbone of hotel performance. Balance between efficiency and guest satisfaction. Coordination across all departments is essential. Strategic alignment between people, process, and technology. Front office and guest experience central hub for reservations, check-ins, and billing. AI chatbots and CRM for personalization. Service recovery and proactive communication. Predictive analytics to anticipate guest needs. Housekeeping and facility management, digital tasks, scheduling, and real-time updates. Predictive maintenance with IoT sensors. Green cleaning and sustainability initiatives. Smart housekeeping dashboards to optimize labor. Food and beverage operations, menu engineering and demand forecasting. Lean operations to reduce waste and costs. AI-driven inventory and purchasing systems. Digital guest feedback and sentiment analytics. Quality management systems, SOPs, ensure consistency across operations. Internal audits and guest satisfaction tracking. Employee empowerment for quality delivery. Examples: Ritz-Carlton's Gold Standards for Seasons Service Model. TQM and ServQual Framework, Total Quality Management. Continuous improvement culture. ServQual dimensions: tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy. Regular evaluation to close service gaps. Guest feedback as the foundation of improvement. Lean, Kaizen, and Six Sigma Lean. Eliminate non-value activities, waiting, waste. Kaizen, daily, small improvements from staff. Six Sigma, reduce process variation via DMAIC cycle. Examples: Marriott, Hilton, and Accor operational excellence programs. AI and technology in operations, predictive maintenance, and real-time analytics. Smart housekeeping and room sensors. Chatbots, sentiment analysis, and digital concierge. AI dashboards for live quality monitoring. KPIs and continuous improvement, RevPAR, ADR, occupancy rate, NPS. Housekeeping productivity, F&B cost ratio. PDCA, plan, do, check, act, cycle for improvement. Employee-driven quality circles and innovation. Conclusion: operational excellence drives guest satisfaction and profitability. Integration of people, process, and technology is key. Future: predictive analytics and sustainable innovation. Human touch remains the essence of hospitality. Next lesson: Hotel Operations and Service Quality Standards Master in Hotel Management. Module 7, Hotel Manager.